PBL Battle of Champions. Baron Mercado covering the action one more time inside Banana Court in Las Piñas. This is now the under 21 division. A matchup between Cebu and Leyte. Sa Leyte, nakakuha na sila ng unang panalo kanina. Let's see if they can add more wins on the province, city of Leyte. Meanwhile, sa Cebu, we will be seeing for the first time some players in Cebu. And again, this is the oldest division we have, this under 21. So far, sa ating mga natungayan, under 14, under 16, at under 18. When it comes to under 21, these players are really more expected to be, again, more disciplined, more controlled on their movements, and to make more smarter basketball decisions. As that floater goes in, first 2 points para dito sa Cebu. Revilla looking to make some space for his friend. A shot that didn't go in, as we will now wrap up our 10-game schedule for game day number 1. Tomorrow, mas mabigat ang ating mga schedule. Kung ngayon meron tayong isang under 21, I believe tomorrow we will have at least 5 or make it 6, 6 na under 21 games scattered all across our game day. So it will be an interesting game day number 2. Dito pa rin yan sa loob ng Banana Court. Again, this is only the first placers, the first runners up. Dahil on Wednesday and Thursday, it will be the Battle of Champions. Yung mga champion na talaga sa bawat provincial leg. Yun na ang magkakampiyon, yun na ang maghaharap-harap dito. Cebu still having an early lead here. Casinilio goes for that floater, di papasok. Looking to enter for the first time itong WLC Mustang. City of Leyte. This time, lays it up for 2 and the finish. That's the first 2 points on the side of Leyte. Susubukan ulit makabawi against Cebu and Leyte. Of course, within the same Visayan area. So a battle of 2 Visayan squads na matutunghayan natin action live here in Manila. And for me, it's always a treat to see, a treat for me to witness some basketball outside Metro Manila, dahil I will be more exposed on this games, yung mga style ng mga players, on how they play, on how they approach the game. Fakes on that corner 3. They send it for a free throw line jumper. Nice recovery. That was a solid rebound on the other side. Now they will look to attack, and that's their second made basket. Four to 2 ang ating score dito. Back-to-back points para dito sa kampo ng Leyte. Dos gets that and one opportunity. That is a Carl Dos from Cebu City getting that basket to go in. 5:15 remaining for all ang ating score. Carl Dos susubukang makuha ulit ang kalamangan dito. makes the free throw count here. 5-4. Cebu now enjoying a 1-point lead. Leyte wearing green, Cebu wearing their white jerseys, nearing the look of the Milwaukee Bucks. Ganun yung forma nitong Cebu squad. The city of Bogo. Meanwhile, on the other side, a free throw here and knocks it down as Hapoles enters the scoring column here for the first time. Misses on the second. Tabla tayo dito at 5 points. As we will look to push things through here with 4 minutes 51 remaining in our opening quarter. Both teams, both squads, ang tagal nilang nagantay all day. We started our basketball contest 7 a.m. Now it's 6:30 as Cebu City of Bogo calls for time, brought to us by Active, for a pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa
7 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Cebu City of Bogo. At hindi na sila naabutan ng pagkakataon para makakuha ng jumper. That is a shot clock violation. Leyte, after having a slow start, magkakaroon ng pagkakataong makuha ulit ang kalamangan. 5-all ang ating score with 4 minutes 8 to go. Open court, 3-ball for a spray play. That is off the mark. Goes for that rebound once again. The Discarte fakes on that 3 inches closer, won't fall. As these two teams, hinahanap pa din yung kanilang rhythm. Carl Dos already contributing in this game. Nakakuha siya ng 3-point play opportunity with 3 minutes 40 to go. Here's Cabanillo for 3. It's in! That is a 3-pointer coming in para dito kay Casinillo. As he gets that ball again, Casinillo shove it on the left side. Duga gets that layup to go, a 5-0 run. After that 3 by Casinillo, Duga nakakuha ng basket and that elbow jumper on the left side. Able to convert. 10-7 is the score. Cebu looking to make that separation as quick as possible. Duga gives it in the middle, goes for that slice and one. Solid finish for Christian Elliott. So making a separation now ay itong Cebu. Christian Elliott. Two minutes 45. Elliott will not complete that 3-point play, but makakuha ng opportunity to make a stop near the half-court line, and it is stepping on that middle line. Balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng Cebu. JR Casinillo hit that big 3 to start off this 5-0 run. Tignan natin kung mahanap ulit nila si JR. Looking to make something again. Albao, Franz. Here he is. Now his turn to shoot that 3 off the mark. Merong tulak on that rebound. Tatawagan itong si Ilot. Pressure defense para dito sa Cebu. Looking to break this one off. Itong sila Tesokan. And couldn't handle yung pressure defense na pinakita doon ng City of Bogo. Kaya balik sa Cebu ang bola dito. Final minute 19 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Carl Dos will send it on this side. Here's Dos for 3 off the mark. Duga from the middle. Couldn't get it. Offensive rebound. Christian Ilot gets that whistle, that foul call as we are approaching the final minute. Looking to extend this 5-point lead to a 7-point lead kung maka-score itong si Ilot. Here's Christian. Will knock that one down. Ilot securing the second one. Now a 7-point lead, 14-7. Leyte, after shaking off that bad start, nahabol sila ng kanilang scoring drought towards the end, and a turnover. Casinillo on the race completes that basket and one. JR Casinillo with 5 points. And as early as now, nakakagawa na ng hati, ng divide, ng espasyo itong Cebu against Leyte. Casinillo now at the line will knock down the bonus. That's 6 points for Casinillo. Looking to shake things off itong si Sean Tesokan. Sends it on the right side. Looking for that cross. Final 27 remaining of that drive. 1-2 step. Hindi mahanap yung pabandang tira para dito kay Lawrence. Final 17 seconds remaining. Maybe the last shot for Cebu. Looking to find a better option. Ilot will provide this pick. Looks to find the big man rolling down low. 3 seconds, nakaagaw. Ilot for that easy 2. And City of Bogo, Cebu up here by 12 points. 17-7, make it a 10-point advantage. Under 21 division, end of the first quarter. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa.
Second quarter action. City of Bogo, Cebu up by 12 points, 19-17 after 19-7 I should say, after that basket by Christian Ilot that went in. A nice tap to start off the second quarter. Baron Mercado covering the action at nagsimula ang lahat. Nagsimula ang run para dito sa Cebu after that JR Casinillo jumper. That 3-pointer that pushes the lead to 5. 7-all tayo kanina. Naka 3 points itong si Casinillo, nakakuha ng basket earlier yung kanyang kakampi, just forgot who. But regardless of which, they are up now by 14 big points. So tomorrow, we have 6 games to cover na under 21. So yung mga kuya ang magte-take over ng ating broadcast as Jan Peteros on the jumper. Couldn't get that friendly roll against 5 rebounders wearing green. Looking to make something happen. Wendell Lumok has entered the ball game, and that is a big N1 combination para dito kay Lawrence Pahamutang. Lawrence Pahamutang couldn't complete that 3-point play, pero baba naman sa 12 ang kalamangan. Look at that quick cross, opening up this jumper from the elbow. That won't fall. Kakanog couldn't make that jumper after that beautiful crossover by JC Sabroso. 21-9 with 7 minutes 59 remaining dito sa ating second quarter of action. Didiskarte once again itong Leyte. Flores swings it in the corner. Looks for a 3. That is off the mark. Couldn't hit that jumper. Babawi ulit itong kampo ng Cebu. Looking to increase the lead here with 7:30 remaining. Here's Peteros. Nice pass. Basket won't count. Merong sabit as Tino Martinez nakakuha ng sabit. Seven minutes 11 seconds nearing the 3-minute mark off dito sa ating second quarter. Tino Martinez had a clean look on that free throw, just rolls out. Better touch for him, better result from the outside. 22-9, a 3. That is off the mark para dito kay Tesocan Sean. Always looking for the shot. Hindi pa nga lang makakuha ng momentum. Sends it in the corner for a big 3. And that rolls in. Cebu now has been hitting everything for them. Ganda ng kanilang shooting on this game. Meanwhile for Leyte, it's the opposite. Just having some difficulty, having some problem converting. (25-9). Since that 7-all, 18-2 run by Cebu. Peretos didiskarte on this drive. Goes for that kick out pass. Goes for that spin. Almost a turnover. Buti na lang natapik ng isang player from Leyte. (25-9). Peretos sends it in the corner. Another 3. It's in! Back-to-back 3-pointers for JC Sabroso. And they force the turnover on the other side. Same spot, same result para dito kay Sabroso. 5 minutes 30 remaining. Couldn't get that easy basket. Makakakuha ng opportunity itong si Aldamia Justin. passes it to a teammate, to a friend, I should say that's a Cueva, Dean Cueva. Almost losing that possession. Timeout is called. Brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakais.
.5:18 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. Leyte still struggling to find their groove, find their shot. Off the timeout, that was an air ball. 28-9, a 19-point lead para sa Leyte. Only 2 points so far. Sabroso has hit 2 big threes, 1 good dime. Lead is up to 21. Backcourt violation. Kitang-kita yon ng ating referees on the half-court line. With 4 minutes 30 to go. Sabroso has completely disrupted the defense of Leyte. Quick action, quick pace, good shooting, better passing. As that pass wasn't able to reach his receiver, Sabroso informing his teammates na kailangan nilang dumepensa dito, a man-to-man defense. 30-9. Aldamia sends it, balik kay Aldamia. 3:35, steps through for that 3. Follow-up is in. A much-needed basket. That was a much-needed one para dito sa Leyte. Hapoles with that putback. 30-11. Going for this dive. Possession will go on the side of City of Bogo. These players from Cebu just really off the gates hot after breaking that tie of 7, just allowing Leyte to score 4 points so far. Even those plays going into the way of Cebu, minsan may halong swerte na din sa mga ganitong laro because of the effort of this Cebu squad playing defense. Meanwhile for Leyte, I can see on their body language, they are in panic mode. A top shot goes in for Sean Tesocan. Itong Cebu making better plays, better reads, better ball movements. For Leyte, mostly isolation. Sabroso with a beautiful roll pass at makakakuha ng foul on that side. Luckily for Leyte, that call favors them. With a minute 56 remaining, timeout is called. City of Bogo, they will play defense. They are up big. Timeout is called. Brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
32 to 13 is the score, a 19-point lead. Can Leyte turn this around at least on the second half? Dahil dito sa first half, it is really dominated by City of Bogo Cebu squad, and that is a rare turnover, and that end one opportunity might have been that energy that they needed, as that one was completed by Prince. Prince Mawe, a much needed life on the side of Leyte. Of the turnover, couldn't complete the 3-point play. Makakakuha pa sila ng bonus, a 4 or 5-point swing kung magiging maingat dito ang Leyte, especially on how this Cebu defense is being played. A 3 by Sean, that is off the mark, gets that rebound, chance to run once again. Perretos couldn't score. Ball is tap, balik sa Cebu ang bola. So with 58 seconds remaining, Cebu City of Bogo having majority of the advantage in this first half. Natawagan sila ng delay of the game. So with 14 seconds to shoot, kanila ang bola dito, a 17-point lead. 32 to 15 after that Prince Mawe basket. Couldn't complete that end one, but regardless, it is still a 17-point lead. Perretos, nice feed. Mawawala sa kanila ang bola after losing it on the hands of Lawrence Kacanog. Sean Tesocan swings it in the corner. That time, di kukuha ng 3-point play, ng 3-point shot, as Jonel Colubio brings that ball with 35 seconds to go. Kacanog, Coluyog, I should say. Colubio sends it here, a drive and kick, a 3. That is off to the right. A chance to run. Mawe finds a target, and that is in. Making that a basket to go in was a pahamutag. Final 5 to go, 15-point lead. Sabroso, nice pass. Martinez was that latest recipient of that wonderful playmaking on the side of JC Sabroso. 34-17, halftime score. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin?
Last half of basketball for our first day schedule, I should say. Last game for today. 34-17, Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions 2026. Baron Mercado covering the action. It was all Cebu after that 7-all start. Sila ang nakawala. They are able to find a way to make a separation. Pero sa Leyte, nakabawi naman pagdating ng second quarter, getting some timely baskets for Tesocan and Mawe. Let's see if that will continue. First shot of Sean Tesocan is a miss. 34-17, going all the way. What a drive. Albert Anciano for that beautiful reverse. Isa rin sa mga nagpakita for Mustang Leyte ay itong si Lawrence Pahamutang. Sean had a good line. Outside shots, difficulty of falling for Leyte. Para sa Cebu, they have at least 2 3-pointers on their belt coming from Sabroso on that corner. Otero will look to pass it in. Goes for that drive and dish. Only a long 2. Hits the top of the board. Will recover. Turns around. Rebound. Put back. Won't fall. Follow-up is in. Radim Pepito scores his first 2 points of the contest as a Pahamutang will be fouled here by Pepito. Medyo na-excite itong si Pepito nung nakakuha siya ng follow-up. Missing on, or making I should say, itong si Pahamutang, but missing on the opportunity to make it a 3-point play, but settling in for that free throw. Sinking the second one. 3:30, or I should say 38-19 with 7:55 remaining. Otero sends it on the post. Thought about that 3. Another drive and kick. This time, Otero dropping down that 3. A clean look from that corner as Pahamutang looks to make something as siksik as well. Looking to replicate that action. Nice fake. Basket won't fall. Difference between making your baskets, converting it, and missing those easy gimmies. Otero, who scored that last 3, will go for that corner shot. Once again, look for him to cut. Nabantayan na ng Leyte. Balik ang bola dito sa WLC Mustang. 6:55 remaining dito, 41-19. Pahamutang brings the ball down. Sean Tesocan looking for his shot. Here he is, shooting. Another miss. And again, that's just the story of the game para dito sa Leyte. They're just having good looks but couldn't convert. Meanwhile, for Cebu, yung kanilang ball movement, just really finding an open man as they give it to Pepito inside. Radim Pepito, that's your 4th point of the quarter dito sa ating third period. Tesokan gives it in the middle, pahamutang. Siya ang didiskarte on the left side, goes for that spin, and that basket goes in. Lawrence Jade Pahamutang scores on that basket and one. (43-21). 550 completes and sinks the bonus. Finally, some baskets going in on the side of Leyte. Pero 21 pa rin ang kanilang abante. Talking about Cebu. Jumper, too strong. Gets that opportunity. Napatalbog pa sa isang player ng Leyte. Balik tuloy sa City of Bogo, Cebu ang possession dito. Five minutes 14. Another clean look this time. Different player shooting para dito sa Cebu. That was Anciano who made that beautiful reverse earlier. Missing on that 5 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Leyte needs to find some miracle in here para makabalik. Cebu on the other side just need to do what they're doing. And a turnover. Breaking free, 4-2. (45-22). Goes for that attack. Erased by the defense of Cebu. Swings it. A 3 on the way. That is off. 4 minutes 20 remaining. Cebu up by 23. Looking to make some plays here. Itong sila Anciano. Pepito was 4 points in this quarter. Anciano once again. Tight pass inside. A chance to run. A 3-on-2 break. Hanging in mid-air. Offensive foul ang itatawag. (23-point lead. 3 minutes 33 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. A 23-point lead here for Cebu. Didiskarte sila dito as Otero has hit 1-3. Pati itong si Anciano attempted. What a move to create that space. Bitin lang yung layup. Again, under 21 division. Fast pace. Count that baby in. A much needed basket once again para dito sa Leyte. Hapoles will look to complete this one. Knocks down that one. Napoles able to score his way in. 45-25, 20 ang abante dito ng Cebu as Napoles secures that basket. 3-point play number 2 in this quarter para dito sa Leyte. 2 minutes 50 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Looking to swing it. Here's Duga Duga. Christian Ilot also in this game. Losing the ball, a chance for Leyte to run. That cross was read by Duga Duga. Referees na huli. Stepping on the sideline, Casinillo. Two minutes 13 remaining. 45-25 ang ating score. Making that pass on the right side. Step through, sends it out, a 3. Two players wearing white almost losing that possession. Balik dito sa kampo. Duga-duga securing that leather. Here he is. Looking to find an open teammate to bust this 2-3 zone. One hand floater. Won't fall. It is recovered by Cebu. 3 seconds. Basket won't count. Bola. Balik dito sa Leyte. A chance for them to cut into this lead as we approach the fourth quarter with 2 minutes 20 remaining into this third quarter action. Napoles has entered the group chat for the scoring for Leyte. Let's see who will join suit. Jumper from the free throw area. Won't fall. Here he is. Masyado malakas ang Pectus. That was off to the left. Final 57 remaining into this contest. Looking to enter the fourth quarter on a high note. Duga-duga for 3. That is off the mark. 20 pa rin ang abante dito ng Cebu as we are 39 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. Nakahanap ng puwang. Couldn't hit. Napoles and 1. $18-point lead, make it 17-point lead. 45-28, final 27 seconds remaining here. 17-point advantage para dito sa Cebu. Para sa Leyte, this is the closest that they have gotten all throughout this game dahil in control itong Cebu. Casinillo, who started the run for Cebu, has entered the game. Basket didn't go in. Pahamutang with 4 seconds to go. Nagmamadali. Needs to put this one off. Hindi makakakuha ng opportunity to take that shot as we are entering the fourth quarter in just a short while. 45-28, Cebu up by 17.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng
Fourth quarter action on your way here. Final game of today. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. 17 points ang abante ng Cebu. Can they hold off and secure their first victory? Or will Leyte shock everyone and make one last run? Baron Mercado covering the action. Again, hindi pa nakakalamang ulit ang Leyte dito after the score was 5-4, I believe. Yun pa yung huling pagkakataong nakalamang ang Leyte. Meanwhile for Cebu, ever since nag-score tayo ng 7-all, it's all them with that 3 by Casinillo, breaking the game wide open. Leyte on the other side, mamadali dito, pahamutan with a nice pass. Kinse na lang ang hahabulin dito ng Leyte. A lot of time, a lot of opportunity for them to cut into this lead. Colubio sends it. Sabrosa, a miss after making back-to-back threes on the other side of the court. 15 na lang ang hinahabol. Need to execute perfectly if you are Leyte. Every moment will really matter here with 8:23 remaining. Pahamutang sends it. 5 seconds to go. Here he is for 3. That is off the mark. Maybe dodging a bullet. Itong City of Cebu na palusot pa yung pasa. What a finish. Balik sa 17 ang kalamangan dito ng Cebu. 7 minutes 50 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Clock is slowly running down on the side of Leyte. Need to make an answer and an action quick and a chance to run. Sabroso, easy basket, that a miss made there. Sa ganda ng nilalaro ng Cebu, that is shocking for them. Mawe will be fouled shooting a 3. Maybe the time for Leyte to shake things up. Big free throws coming in for Mawe with 7:25 to go. Prince Mawe knocks it down, I should say. Gets an opportunity here. 47-23. Isa pa. Misses on the second. Makes the first. Misses on the second. Misses on the third. So 1 out of 3 para dito sa kampo ng Leyte. Could have cut this one to a 14-point lead. Mas malapit sana. Peretos, didiskarte on the middle. Balik dito kaya Sabroso. Hasn't scored in quite some time. I believe that's an offensive foul on Cebu. A basket here made by Cebu. Or I should say a basket here made by Leyte can cut this one into a 14-point lead. Kung maka 3 points sila, 12 na, or I should say it is only a 13-point lead. So palapit na ng palapit itong Leyte. But the question is, will time favor them on their attempt to make a run? Nice defense. Quickly recovering. Nakagulong na yung bola dun sa linya. Looking to rescue that 3-pointer and make those a shot possible. 6:10 remaining. Sabroso, that is a kickball violation. As we are into the last 6 minutes. Martinez and the company talking about City of Bogo. Looking to push this Leyte comeback away. For them, they need solid execution. Balik sila sa kanilang nasimulan. Sabroso. That's one way to do it. A jumper that time just couldn't convert. At merong foul on that rebound battle. Cueva will be called for that foul. One runner for that attempt will shoot free throws. Itong Cebu. Bit of a slow fourth quarter. Itong kampo ng Cebu. Peretos will now be at the line here. Will knock down the first one. Ganitong Cebu, sinusubukan na lang iwasang magkaroon ng meltdown and let Leyte come back and storm into this game. 5 minutes remaining. Here's Sean on that move. Can't find a basket. Itong si Tesokan, he has been trying all game long with no luck so far. 1-2 step. Masyadong malakas. Follow up is in that time. Cleaning up the mess. 20 na ang kalamangan. 4 minutes 30 to go. Siksik and company. Nauubusan na ng oras. Cut it to as low as 15. At chance sana kanina to cut it to as low as 13 or 14. Just couldn't sink their free throws. Sean Andre Tesokan will now be at the free throw area. Again, looking to cut this one off again. Isa pa para kay Tesokan. Will have a chance. Still can't find your basket. I mean, this is tough for him. Kanina pa siya sumusubok makakuha ng puntos. Just shots not falling kahit sa free throw area. Because if you're a scorer, yung free throw na yun, one of the things na makita mo man lang pumasok yung bola sa basket. Even those Tesokan couldn't hit. We have a timeout call. Final 4:19 to go in this game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang
A quick trigger. Tesokan di pa rin makakuha ng basket in this second half, at least dito sa ating fourth quarter. This time, Duga-Duga looking to slow this down. Nice screen by Martinez. Sends it inside. Merong tulak while receiving that ball. See on the clock here, 3:50 remaining in our fourth quarter. Looking to make some run. Maybe for Leyte. It's starting to look slim yung kanilang paghabol dito. 20-point lead. Pahamutang. Sends it to Tesokan. Double teamed. It is almost rescued by Duga-Duga. Referees will call a traveling violation. 51-31. Cebu just needing at least a couple of baskets to seal this victory. Meanwhile, for Leyte, they had their chances at the start of this fourth quarter. Di lang sila makapag-take advantage. Peretos on the attack, stepping back, jumper. That is off the mark. Goes on the run here. Pahamutang, attacks. Basket is good. 2:25 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter, nearing the last 2-minute mark. 18-point lead, 6-possession ball game. Nice fake, nice defense, but that effort on getting that basket off that block. Yun talaga nagse-separate in this game, yung effort, that willingness to get that possession, get those possessions. Offensive foul ang itatawag dito sa Leyte. And at least with a basket here, Cebu will win their first game dito sa Battle of Champions in the under-21. Bukas po, 6 na under-21 ang ating mako-cover. I believe the first 3, puro under-21 yon. Tapos sandwich natin ng under-14, 16 and 18 as this break is run to perfection. Cebu just turning in the Jets. Tesokan still can find the angle as they try and try all throughout. 57-35, a minute 28 remaining in this ball game. 10 games of hoops done and dusted for today as we're just waiting in, winding down the final moments of our under-21 contest. It was Cebu's run on that first quarter that solidified this victory. Again, after that three-pointer by Casinillo, as baskets just keep on raining down, pouring down, as the same player, itong si Casinillo, just completing the message here. 59-35. Couldn't get that first free throw. Final minute in this game. Again for Leyte, para sa akin, fourth quarter, couple of minutes, hindi nakascore ang Cebu. They had some stops, they had some momentum. If only na-shoot lang yung sa free throw during that 3. 1 out of 3 kasi sila doon. If they only made all, that could have changed this complexity of this contest quite a bit in this ball game. 59-35, final 30 seconds remaining. Nice pass by Duga Duga, and that is, for me, the last say of this game. Cebu, impressive in today's matchup for Leyte. Again, they just need to make it up on their next few contests. Again, point quotient will be needed here. Kaya kailangan nilang umiscore ng umiscore. Mas malaking lamang, mas advantage. And that is all for today. What an amazing coverage. A 10-game schedule done for today. Final score, Cebu 63, Leyte 35. Dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. For all the men and women involved here sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, Comkit Picasso, sa ating officials dito sa amin sa Prod, led by Boss Shadi Ball. Thank you so much. Baron Mercado saying thank you and see you tomorrow for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions 2026.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan